What about nitration of benzene rings? Let's say we want to attach a nitrogen group to it. How do we do it? Well, the NO2 group is actually pretty straightforward to attach to a benzene ring. So if we have our benzene ring, what we do is we put it in a mixture of H2SO4 and HNO3. And what we're going to do is we're going to form the nitronium ion. That looks like that. So we're going to attach this functional group the benzene ring. Now, the way I've written on the board, this does happen, but it's kind of misleading. When I say H2SO4, HNO3, these are sulfuric and nitric acids in the sense that there is at least some water present, but we're typically working with the 15 to 16 molar range. This is super concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3, and they end up forming the activated nitrogen complex, the nitronium ion, which is what reacts with the benzene. Now, this mixture is also called aqua regia, and it's gotten that name because it's one of the few mixtures of acids that will dissolve platinum, gold, and silver, so it can dissolve the noble metals. This is a super dangerous reaction to run, and it's something that I've actually run in practice in my career. It forms a very, very nasty, red, deadly-looking solution. So, while you can do this reaction, it is with a caveat. This is a super dangerous reaction, and typically it's followed by a neutralization reaction to get rid of the activated ammonium complex. Now, another hard reality with this type of chemistry. We are looking for electrophilic aromatic substitution. The reason why this is electrophilic is because this ion here and the nitronium that we form are very, very, very positive nitrogen compounds. The nitrogen really, really wants electrons to bond to, and this is also why this ends up being a very inhibiting group to put on a ring. It slows down reactions. You cannot, as far as I've been able to find in the literature, there's no way to directly attach an NH2 group to the ring. So if you want to make an aniline group, from what I understand, that you have to do something similar to the Friedel-Crafts acylation, where you've got to attach this carbonyl or this double bonded oxygen complex and then reduce the oxygens off down the road in order to produce, this case, NH2, or the case of Friedel-Crafts acylation, get rid of the carbonyl. So keep that in mind. If you want to attach NO2, it's straightforward. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, super concentrated aqua regia solution. You're going to have to subsequently neutralize to get rid of. And then if you want to actually attach an NH2 group, you're going to have to do a subsequent reduction from this complex.